Hello guys, welcome to Jubaer Learning Tech. So this is Jubaer Ahmed. So today I'm gonna share with you one new project. Hopefully you guys get the benefit from this project. So I think who are started Cisco networking, who are the beginner, they get the benefit from this video. So let's get it started. So first of all, I take three router 1841. Okay. So after that, I also take one more switch here. Then here also I take another one switch. Okay. So now I need some PC here. Okay. So here also I put the similar one. So now I give the connection first. After that I will give the configuration here. Okay. So now so this one okay. After that this one need to connection. Okay, so now need to get the switch here, need to off, now need to on here. Okay, so okay, first of all I have to go the serial number 0 by 0 0 14.14.2.1. Okay, so this one is done. Need to on RIP routing. Must be remember this one. Okay, after that I'll go there. So will be 2. Okay, need to add here. See, here is the green signal right now. So I go to the second one, 15.15.2.1. Okay, after that need to add here also RIP routing. After that I will go there. Okay, then serial number. Okay, this one will be 2. Need to add here also RIP routing. Okay, so now showing the green signal. If I made okay, after that I write the internet add in tr and it internet. Okay, this one is for internet. So now I give the connection here. After that this one. Okay, so similar way I have to follow this one. Okay, so now I give the configuration here 193.168.2.1. Okay, need to here also see here is the green signal, need to add also RIP routing, otherwise when I send the data this one showing the fail. Okay, so here need to give the configuration, so will be 2. Okay, done. After that to go, this will be 3 gateway. So now I go there, this one will be 4. So done. So now need to give the configuration. First 800 0 by 1. So this one will be 4. I'm just change this number and other things will be okay. So now need to add also. See here is the green signal. Need to add here RIP routing. Okay. So after that I'll give the configuration here also. So this one will be 2. Okay, done. Second one I have to follow desktop. So will be 3. Done. The third one will be similar way. Okay, this one is done. So I have to follow this one. First of all, I have to go there. So I'm just change this number only. Okay. See here is the green signal. Need to add here RIP routing. Okay. After that, I will give the configuration desktop. This will be 2. Okay. To go desktop, 3 the last number, default gate will be 5. Desktop 4, default gate will be 6. This one is done. After that I'll go there. Second one, so the number will be 1 and 5. This one will be 1 and 6. Okay, so other one will be similar. Need to add also RIP routing, otherwise I cannot send the data. So must be remembered this one. So green signal right now, desktop, okay, done. The second one, 3, default gate will be 6. Okay, the last number will be 4. So done this one. If I check data one side to another side, let me check. Okay, here you can just wait. Successful here. Okay, so if I send from here to here, first time should fail, no problem. Second time I will try again, successful. Okay, if I send from here to here, fail, no problem. I'll try second time. See here the successful. Okay, so if I send to here, successful. If I send to here, showing successful. From here to here, successful. From here to here, showing successful. So thank you so much. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. So please put your if you face any problem, please put your valuable comment in the comment section and share with your friend, and subscribe to my